Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making an authentic and flavorful Indian fish curry. This recipe is easy to follow and guarantees a delicious meal that captures the essence of Indian coastal cuisine. Get ready to impress with this incredible fish curry. First, let's look at what we need. You'll need half a kilo of fish, 2 tablespoons of oil, and a half teaspoon of the mustard and methi seed mixture. Don't forget 1 small chopped onion, 2 curry leaves, and some fresh coriander leaves for garnish. The secret to the curry is in the rich gravy. Let's prepare the mixture now. Mix your dry spices, coriander powder, chili powder, and turmeric powder, and salt. Now add the onion and tomato paste. Simply grind 1 medium onion and 1 medium tomato until fine. Incorporate 3 tablespoons of ground coconut paste and 1 tablespoon of tamarind extract for that classic tang and creaminess. Now mix all these gravy ingredients thoroughly and add the required amount of water to achieve your desired gravy consistency. With the gravy base ready, it's time to start the cooking process by heating up the aromatics. First, heat the 2 tablespoons of oil in a vessel over medium heat. Add the half teaspoon of mustard and methi seeds mixture and wait patiently until the mustard seeds begin to splutter and pop. Next, add the chopped onion and curry leaves. Fry them gently, stirring often until the onion turns a nice golden brown. Now for the magic moment, combining the gravy base with the tempered spices. Pour the prepared gravy mixture into the vessel. Bring it to a boil. Allow the gravy to boil for about 5 minutes. This is crucial for the raw smell of the spices to dissipate and the flavors to deepen. Once the gravy is fragrant and ready, stir in the chopped coriander leaves. The final step before serving is adding the star of the dish, the fish. Gently add the fish pieces to the simmering gravy, making sure they are well submerged. Keep the curry on a medium flame and let the fish cook. It should take approximately 8 to 9 minutes until the fish is tender and flaky. Your authentic Indian fish curry is now complete. A perfect blend of spice, tang, and creaminess. Look at that vibrant color and aroma. It's ready to be the centerpiece of your next meal. Serve this amazing fish curry hot with steamed rice or fresh naan bread. Enjoy your meal.